If your ex, who once showed a cruel side and hid a 15-year secret, suddenly says, "You're my heart," this reading is for you. You feel happy, but unsure. Let's ask the cards what serves your peace, your safety, and your future. Hand on heart, breath in for 4. Hold 2, exhale 6. Affirm, my heart matters, my boundaries matter, I choose truth. It says, spread overview, 9 card, truth and choice. Top row, truth of the past and cycle, Ace of Swords. The world, Queen of Swords. Middle row, the return and the offer, Knight of Cups. The Fool, Ace of Wands. Bottom row, your foundation and outcome path, 4 of Wands, the Emperor, Strength. Row 1, truth and closure, Ace of Swords, pure sharp truth. The secret, 15 years, split the fog. This ace says, facts first, feelings second. Expect a clarifying conversation, receipts, and answers to direct questions. The world, 21, a cycle completed. You graduated from a painful chapter. The world often brings signs through the 4 fixed signs, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, or the number 21, 21 days, the 21st of a month. You are allowed to claim closure whether or not they cooperate. Queen of Swords, your current energy, warm heart, sharp boundary, air sign vibes, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or simply your no-nonsense discernment. She says, believe patterns, not promises. You can listen without abandoning yourself. Row 2, the return and the spark, Knight of Cups. Here comes the apology, romantic plea, texts, voice notes, late night, you're my heart messages, water sign vibes, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Knights move but don't always stay. Evaluate the follow through. The Fool. 0, a reboot energy. 2, paths. Fresh start with them. If there's real repair, not amnesia. Fresh start without them. Your leap into a new life. 0 is a reset number. Watch for 000, 10s who are 20 yard on clocks as nudges to choose your path. Ace of Wands, new passion, creative fire, a project, or a truly new love. This ace can be a green light for your next chapter. Fire sign cues, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Numbers 1 to 11, 1 and 11 may pop when you act on your own spark. Row 3, home, structure, strength, 4 of Wands. 4, stability, home, your support circle. Could be a celebration with your people, not necessarily a reunion. Number 444, 444, and dates 4, 14, 24 signal milestones. Ask, does this choice make my home life more peaceful? The Emperor, Aries. Structure, rules, accountability. If you consider reconciling, this is the contract card. Budgets, counseling, full transparency, non-negotiable boundaries. Aries symbols, rams, red, or the name Aria may appear as signs. Season cue. Aries season can be a decision window. Strength, Leo. Gentle power. You tame the lion with steady self-respect, not panic or pressure. Seeing lions, sunflowers, or the number 888 confirms you're acting from courage, not fear. Leo season or a Leo person may be relevant. What the cards say about him versus you him. Knight of Cups, words, emotions. Plus Ace of Wands, chemistry. Big feelings, quick spark, but nights can be inconsistent. The Emperor asks, can he live inside structure? You, Queen of Swords, plus strength. Happy but unsure is valid. Your heart can smile while your mind verifies. That's wisdom, not coldness. Red flags versus green flags, guided by the spread. Red flags, pause or walk. Apologies with no plan. Knight of Cups without Emperor. Pressure to forget the past. Fool without World Queen. Hidden phones, evasive timelines. Ace of Swords ignored. Your peace at home drops. 4 of Wands reversed in energy. Green flags, consider slowly. A written repair plan, counseling dates, full disclosure, financial clarity, Emperor upright. Consistency for 8+ weeks, strengths 8, same story, same actions. Your friends, family feel safe around him, 4 of Wands. He supports your purpose and projects, Ace of Wands for you, not just the romance. 2 pathways. Choose your peace. Path A, rebuild if safe and desired. Ace of Swords, ask 5 direct questions. The Emperor, set 3 non-negotiables, e.g. therapy, transparency, timelines. Strength, give yourself 8 weeks to observe. 4 of Wands, include community, mentor, pastor, counselor to witness progress. Checkpoint, If actions match words for 21 days, 8 weeks, then consider a deeper step. Path B, release and reclaim the world, ritual closure, letter you don't send, block if needed. The Fool, plan a symbolic reset, solo trip, new class. Ace of Wands, pick one personal passion, commit 11 minutes day for 11 days. Four of Wands, host a small homecoming to me night with friends. Strength, daily mantra, my love is strong and selective. Numbers and signs you may see 111, 111, new chapter energy, aces, the Fool, 444, 444, home, stability, boundaries, 4 of Wands, Emperor, 888, courage, consistency, strength, 21, world closure windows, 21 days, the 21st, zodiac cues, Aries, Emperor, Leo, strength, air signs, Queen of Swords, water signs, Knight of Cups, fixed signs, the world, symbols, lions, rams, keys, truth, doors, thresholds, Fool, sparklers or candles, wands. What you can say, scripted lines. If you're open but cautious, I hear you. If I'm your heart, you'll honor my boundaries. Here's what repair looks like. Therapy, next week, full transparency with passwords for 8 weeks and a check-in every Friday. If that's too much, we're not aligned. If you're choosing release, I accept your feelings, and I'm closing this chapter for my peace. I wish you healing, and I'm moving forward. Block, mute if needed. Forgiveness does not mean access. 1 minute inner reset before any conversation. 2 physiological sighs, inhale, tiny top up, long exhale, X2. People over promises, peace over pressure. Does this choice strengthen my home inside? 4, and my strength. 8, trust the answer in your body. Final message from the spread, Ace of Swords. Plus, Queen of Swords, your clarity is sacred. The world, you're not required to repeat a class you already passed. The Emperor, strength, if love returns, it meets your structure and your self-respect, or it doesn't enter. The Fool, plus Ace of Wands, plus 4 of Wands. Your joy is not dependent on his change. Your life can light up now. Affirmation, I choose truth, structure, and strength. My love is brave and well protected. What is for me cannot be kept from me. Call to action. If this resonated, claim it with a in the comments. Tell me which numbers or signs you're seeing, 111, 444, 8, Aries, Leo vibes, and which path you're choosing. Rebuild or release and reclaim. Like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs tarot with boundaries and self-respect. This reading is for guidance, entertainment, honor your safety, and seek professional support when needed. So, arpo morche samarkse.